Gosh. Hi, my name is Chloe.
Hi, my name's Emily.
And we are showing you guys Stargirl Beauty right now. So I have the color Monroy.
And I have the color Sisters.
And I love the color Monroy because specifically for my skin complexion, it looks super nice and it is such a velvety and matte color that it just brings out your whole makeup look and just completes it all.
Absolutely love this color. It's so cute. And I really like how it's like lighter than this one because obviously I'm pale. And it just really goes with my skin color and I love it. So our top 3 reasons why we love this lipstick is because
the applicator glides on super smooth and you can line your lips with this matte liquid lipstick as well.
And I love it because obviously I suck at doing makeup and I feel like this is so easy to apply and it looks great.
As much as it looks good on Emily, it also looks good on my skin tone as well. So it looks great on every skin tone, whether you like the dark brown nude or the really light nude.